Good evening, I'm Bob Brown and this is the Horizon News. In a landmark legal development, President-elect Donald Trump was sentenced today in his hush money case. However, in a surprising twist, Manhattan Judge Juan M. Merchan declined to impose any punishment, clearing the path for Trump to assume the presidency for a second term without legal encumbrance. This unprecedented case marked the first time a former president and leading presidential candidate faced a criminal trial. Despite being convicted on all 34 felony counts, the outcome ensures Trump will return to the White House as the first-ever president with a felony record. Judge Merchan's decision to issue an unconditional discharge, a rarity in felony cases, effectively ended the trial without jail time, probation, or fines. Legal experts noted the judge's consideration of the unique constitutional implications of sentencing a president-elect. During a brief virtual appearance from his Mar-a-Lago home in Palm Beach, Florida, Trump, seated next to his attorney and framed by an American flag, maintained his innocence. "This has been a political witch hunt, designed to damage my reputation, and clearly, it didn't work," Trump said, calling the proceedings an embarrassment to New York. After the hearing, he vowed to appeal the conviction and called the case a despicable charade on his social media platform. The prosecution accused Trump of falsifying business records to conceal a $130,000 payment to adult film actress Stormy Daniels during the 2016 election campaign. The payment, they argued, was part of a broader effort to suppress damaging allegations of extramarital affairs. Trump denied any wrongdoing, claiming the payment was intended to protect his family, not influence the election. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, a Democrat, described Trump's actions as undermining the electoral process and damaging New York's financial integrity. Prosecutors also criticized Trump's repeated attacks on the legal system, calling them a threat to the judiciary's legitimacy. Despite the serious allegations, Trump's conviction has not dented his political standing. Voters elected him to a second term, and his attorney Todd Blanche framed the case as a litmus test for public judgment. The American voters decided this case for themselves, and that's why in just 10 days, President Trump will take office, Blanche stated. The hearing, lasting just over 30 minutes, drew reactions from supporters and critics outside the courthouse. Demonstrators displayed banners reading, "Trump is guilty and stop partisan conspiracy." This case is the only one among 4 criminal indictments against Trump to reach trial, with others either stalled or dismissed. As the political dust settles, Trump is set to focus on his new administration and Republican policy priorities, signaling his return to Washington amid continued controversy. For the Horizon News, I'm Bob Brown.